the Vice Chancellor, and the others who make the effort not only to ensure that the program is at its best, but also come to meet with you and to hear from you and to learn from you at how you are thriving and how well you're doing. My own experience interacting with graduates from the law program, particularly at the Supreme Court, where at least half our law clerks are University of London graduates, I have absolutely no doubt in my mind that they will be future leaders, thinkers, and change makers, just like the rest of you. But with this privilege of education comes a very big responsibility. First, it's not just a personal achievement, but it's an investment in the progress of humanity, an investment in the progress of our country. Secondly, it instills in individuals the duty to contribute meaningfully to their community. As someone who works regularly with the law, let me say that nation's strength lies in its educated people who understand and respect the law, rights and duties, and engage with the democratic process. More importantly, they have a role to play in recognizing the power of unity and collaboration and of impacting and uplifting others. You are the privileged ones. This burden falls on many of you. So as you step into the next phase of your life, as you step into doing and recognizing what your contribution will be to the society, enriched with your knowledge, with your diverse perspectives, with your international experiences, you now carry the responsibility and the privilege of shaping a better future, not just for yourselves, but for all of us. Whether you're advocating for justice, or whether you're driving economic growth, or you're inspiring others through your work, the journey ahead is yours to define. Lead with integrity, lead with passion, and leave a legacy that reflects the excellence of the program that you studied from, of the University of London. The future is yours to shape. Make it something extraordinary. From where I sit on a daily basis and what I see, I believe that it is people like you who will bring change into this country, who will bring progress here, and most of all, who will enable others, empower others, those who are not fortunate to receive the quality education that you have all gotten. If you look around the room, I think it's important for each of you to acknowledge the presence of the alumni, their success stories, and it would be nice to give a hand of applause to all of you for the success you achieved. And finally, I think to the women over here in this room, I'm absolutely delighted to see each and every one of you. And as you walk the walk that you've chosen in life, we would love to know from this function on to the many others that you will have, how you will all be in a series of firsts in whatever great ventures that you're doing. So good luck to all of you. You make us proud. You make us feel good that there are people like you here who are working in Pakistan, working hard for this country. So thank you very much.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान की जज जस्टिस आयशा मलिक का तकरीब से खिताब कहा कि तकरीब में शिरकत बाइस फ़ख्र है। अच्छे और बेहतरीन इदारे इंसान की बेहतरीन किरदार साजी करते हैं।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।